Morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 25 minutes, but I am watching CLNT here for some pre-market action. Quite a bit of volatility. The range on this thing has been wild. To think at one point it was, at 470, and now it just hit not that long ago before I get the video recording up over 12. So a lot of volatility. Unfortunately, no shares to short on this one, at least through Lightspeed, who is my broker, but potentially interested in playing it from the long side, maybe even with a pre-market trade. And because I don't capture too many of those, I figured I'd try to get the video rolling now, and if the opportunity does arise, I can try to capture some pre-market trading on the video. So we'll see what happens with it. All right, have an order at 10:37 here on CLNT. I was not able to ever get any sort of pre-market trade on it, but made the alert in the chat room that I was looking for a pullback here on this one out of the opening gates. And it is currently pulling back. It's just a matter of, am I right in terms of where I'm putting my entry point to try to take advantage of the pullback? So that is what I'm waiting to see here. I will keep you updated, watching some other things. So let's see if I can find other things. All right, well, wow, that was fast. All right, let me get my sell order in place up there at 1040. And I want to get some other buy orders out there, 985. Okay, that fast. I am out. But 985, I am looking to do this again. So let's see if it wants to break down through the $10 mark. I think I captured that on video. I'm not quite sure though, because it happened in almost a blink of an eye. But I am interested in building a position here on this pullback. And I'm also trying to do some customer service stuff too. There's some people talking to me through the website. So I'll let it run as I do this. There we go. And there was the bounce back up. So I will go ahead and pause it now since it is starting to show some signs of life. But I'll take it a quick $130. Let's see what else I can find. If this one wants to pull back some more, then I'd be interested. But as it stands right now, I will pass. Have a couple orders out on CPRT and then on QD, which is what I have up right now. So we'll see if I can get either of these filled. Currently watching QD, looking like has some potential here. Again, just my introductory order down at the 1737 mark. So let's see if I can get that filled or not. Okay, I don't like how it's hovering, so let's take it down to 1727. All right, well, it bounced anyways. That makes me feel better because I would have never gotten filled anyways. How's this one doing? 40.85. So still a bit of ways off on that. I will go ahead and pause. CLNT back in play here. It's broken down below 10. So we'll see if I can get a little bit more of a pullback. Current order for 1,000 shares at $9.15, which looks kind of goofy now given that it is bouncing, but we'll see. All right, pulling back some more. 915 is that magic. Oh, there we go. I am in. Let's see if I can get some down there at 885, 875, and 855. So right now my average is right at 9. So let's do 910. And then 915. Just 2,000 shares. I'd like to get some more if possible. Now, if I'm going to get out, the first step is this thing needs to get back up above that $9 mark. So we'll see if that can happen or not. Going to put in some more orders down there. All right, and I am all out there. So now up 380 on the morning. Although I do want to get 855 out there. Oh, that order already exists. So let's see if we can get Actually, at this point, let's do 837 and see if it can pull back there. I will buy this pullback all day long, but I'm not willing to re-enter the pullback until the 837 mark. So what is it? 9:40, 10 minutes in to the day, up $380. I'm not going to complain about that, but let's see what else we can find. All right, watching XNET here, XNET. Still have that CLNT order out there, 815, but now looking to potentially go long, build a position, but I'm not interested to start the position building until at least 1915. Got a ways to go, but this one can move relatively quickly, so it could be down there quicker than I realized. So we'll let the video run. Try to capture a break in 1950 there and see if it can move, pick up the pace after that break. So it's going for 1950 break. Quite a bit of support right there, looking at the level 2s, not shocking. All right, there's the break. So let's see if it can get down there to 1915 or not. Okay, not going to lie, I was hoping for a bit better action in my favor in terms of the break of 1950. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, looking for potential short here to build a short side position. All these other trades I've been trying to do have been from the long side, but here initial order at 57.35. So the first big step here obviously is getting through that 57 mark. So let's see if it can get up there and do that. Still have these other orders out there. So I will do my best to capture any of these live in terms of the fill, but obviously with multiple orders and only one little recording section, not going to be able to capture them. But you are now aware of all my bobbers out in the water. It's just a matter of can I get any nibbles. I will keep you updated. Holy smokes. All right. I am in. That was literally just, I mean, that was... Wish I would have caught that on video. That thing just snapped unbelievably crazy. So let's see. 57, so 58.35. So like I was saying, that thing, there's impossible for me. Shoot, figures. If I would have just let it run for 10 seconds more, I would have caught that. But it literally just snapped up through there. A pretty crazy move. Actually, given how it moved last time, let's just do this at 45. So I will start over the process there at 58.45 if it can get up there. But definitely on this one, no promises, as it proved to be very, very jumpy. All right, getting close to that 58 break. Like I said last time when I broke the round number 57, that is when the jump happened. I will try to capture the break of 58 if it happens. That maybe, who knows, I can get a really quick jump that happened to me last time, but no promises. But it did, well, it was working its way up there, but very, very volatile stock. This is a good one for sure. Looking at the time, I will have to wrap things up here relatively quickly. Lucky me, I get to go to the Secretary of State, the DMV, whatever you want to call it, because I got to get my driver's license renewed. It's been 4 years, and I can't do it online this time because I did it online last time. So yeah, I have to go wait in line. I'd like to try to, and on Wednesdays, apparently they only open up at 11. So now I have to wait till 11, but it is what it is. So I want to get some other things done before I have to hit the road there. But I'm pretty happy with this trade in action. Caught some good solid trades. Disappointed I missed that one. But I do want to give this a little bit more opportunity to get up there and maybe potentially fill me for one more trade. But we'll see what happens. I will keep you updated. Well, watching it trade a little bit more, I'm just going to go ahead and end the video here, as it's looking like this one. I don't know, I might go long here now, seeing how the pattern's taking place, but that's here nor there. I want to try to keep this under 10 minutes. So on that note, if you enjoyed the video and want me to keep making these, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check out the channel, lots of other different types of content on it. If you're interested in trading alongside me and others, I do offer a private trading room. You can just go to claytrader.com, and that is the inner circle, and that cost is $99 per year, not per month, per year. So definitely more than fair pricing. And you know, over the time span of 12 months, I'm pretty confident that you're going to get at least $99 worth of value. I never claim to be setting the bar super high. Finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, again, I do offer training courses on that. You just got to go to claytrader.com. So thank you for watching. Again, click that like button. I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.